So question 2 is asking us, a line has equation y equals 2cx plus 3, and the curve has equation y equals cx squared plus 3x minus c, where c is a constant. So we have a multiple choice question over here, and we need to select which statement is true. So the line and curve intersect only for a particular value or particular set values of c. The line and curve intersect for all values of c, or the line and curve do not intersect for any values of c. So we have a quadratic and we have a linear equation. So if they intersect, they can intersect at 2 points. They can intersect at 1 point, which would be tangential, or they can not intersect at all, like this. So if we subtract a linear from a quadratic, we get another quadratic, and we can check if they intersect by solving the quadratic equation, but we can easily check if a quadratic and linear intersect by looking at the discriminant. So the discriminant is b squared minus 4ac. If this is greater than or equal to 0, then all values of c will intersect. But if this is less than 0, then we get complex solutions or imaginary numbers, which means they don't intersect. So first thing is we're going to equate both y equals in each equation. So we're going to say cx squared plus 3x minus c equals 2cx plus 3. So let's subtract 2cx from both sides, and we get plus 3x minus 2cx. And let's subtract 3 from both sides as well. It's minus c minus 3 equals 0. Now we can factorize 3 and negative 2 over here, negative 2c. So we can get a b value, which is the coefficient of x here, plus 3 minus 2c x, and I'm just going to factor this into negative c plus 3 to make our lives a bit easier. So the discriminant of this will be three minus 2c squared minus 4 times c times negative c plus 3. And we need to make sure that this is greater than or equal to 0 to check if b is true. Alright, so let's expand this side. 9 minus 6c, because we get minus minus 6c and minus 6c again, so we get minus 12c plus negative 2 squared is positive 4, so we get plus 4c squared, and then we do minus 4c, so this negative will cancel out with the negative inside this bracket, so we get plus 4c times c is 4c squared, and we have plus 12c is greater than or equal to 0. And so we can combine like terms and we get 8c squared plus 0c, because these cancel out. We have 8c squared plus 9 is greater than or equal to 0. Now, no matter what value c is, it will always be greater than or equal to 0, because when you square a number, it always becomes positive. And 9 is a positive whole number, so, well, it's a positive integer, so it won't matter, because it will never be negative. So this is going to be always true, and therefore we can say that B is the answer.